Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda, loving saying things. I'm full of vim and vigor today. I've eaten my Wheaties. I've had my Bang. And today, I have a FabFitFun Winter 2020 box. Woo! It's big as shit. And I have a couple add-ons that are in here as well. Last time I had a FabFitFun box for fall, I didn't read things as well as I could have, so let's make sure, Rhonda, I'm talking to myself, Rhonda, because I see myself on my monitor. Let's do it right. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started in here. And it's a very nice box. They said they're going to stop making them so colorful, and it's still very cute, but they have chilled out on the printing. They're trying to make things more recyclable. And I don't remember hardly anything that I chose. And then there's some things that I didn't choose. I'm an annual member, so I pay about $45 a box. And this is what it looks like in here. And to get it started, here's my receipt for my add-ons. This is one of my favorite things that I found through FabFitFun. It is Stone Street Hey Ho body lotion, and it's fantastic. It smells like beautiful earth, and I love it so much. Then my other add-on was Babe Lash lash enhancer, so I can grow my lashes. So that was like $19. This was like $9. Those are my add-ons. I didn't go crazy. With Rome getting ready to have hip surgery, I'm not going to be going crazy like I have in the future or in the past about some stuff. I'm going to be chilled out, and that's another reason why I'm going like uploading less, because it's just more manageable, and I'm going to be taking care of my baby. And Katie Couric is on here for the winter 2020, and she's telling the untold stories. Well, this is FabFitFun. How many untold stories can she say in this little tiny pamphlet? That's what I want to know. And here we go. We have a lot of things that were your first pick. And the first options were a blanket, a Vera Bradley organizer, some champagne flutes, a serum, and a robe. I think that's, let's see. Oh, there were some Kate Spade Rise and Shine earrings, I think, also. Yeah, there was some earrings. There was a set of 2 earrings. They're down here. And then there was a Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit, which I think is what I chose. No, I didn't choose that. I've got that coming in like Boxy Lux. I chose the blanket, and it is beautiful. Let's see if I can't balance. I'm going to set this box down, because it's too hard to balance in my lap, and I have no table room. And I do love my FabFitFun. I always get my value out of it, plus some things that make nice gifts. And this says Unhide for love, not fur, and this is a very soft plush. Beautiful gray. I was afraid it's gonna be white, but it's a beautiful pale gray, and it's fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. That means fake in French, faux. So this is great. Let me get to see how much my blanket was. My blanket's value is $65, and it's called the Little Marshmallow. Stay cozy all winter long with this soft faux it's a faux chinchilla. Little chinchillas are very delightful creatures. Love them so much. Don't want to kill them, no. We want the faux chinchilla. Oh, it's dreamy. I will look forward to this on my couch. And then the next thing, we have choices. We had choices of a Lily Pulitzer mugs, Caudalie moisturizing sorbet right there, Alginus Complete Eye Renewal Balm, which I think that's what I chose. Lucky Brand Solid Brush Scarf. I don't need a scarf. The Impressions Vanity Company LED Mirror. And those were the number 2 choices. And let me look down here. And I chose the Alginus, which is a very reputable skincare company, eye renewal cream, and this is a $68 value. Did I say the blanket was $65? So between the blanket and the eye cream, I more than paid for my box. And let's just take a look at it. And this says, this blend of hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and green tea helps reduce puffiness and hydrate the eye area. And it's in a nice frosted little jar. Very nice, muy bueno, we likey. Then number 3, we had to choose. We could choose from a Limitless Lash Mascara, which I know I did not choose because I'm picky about my mascaras. Laura Geller Cinnamon Spice Eyeshadow Palette. I know I didn't choose that. Dr. Brandt Pores No More. I don't think I chose that either. And then there was a dermabrasion thing. Or velvet headband. Let's see in my box what I got. I chose the headband because I have nothing but headbands right there. It's like a stack of headbands. And this is very pretty. And this will look great with my hair. Let's cut it in. Let's cut into it. And it's got velvet and it's got a little knot. And the headband is $49. I would not pay $49 for a headband. I usually get like 3 or 4 of them for 12 bucks from Amazon or more headbands for less money. I don't know, but I'm glad to have it, and it's very fancy. It's got lined cardboard and it'll look great, and it'll go back here with the other headbands. So that is very nice, but I can't believe that that is $49. Mama Rhonda would not be paying $49. Old Rhonda would not pay $49. But that's why you get FabFitFun, because you get things that you would not normally get for yourself. Next up is number 4. I could have gotten some Tula Rose Glow Get It Cooling Eye Balm, some Muck Luck Cabin Socks, some kind of hair mask and scalp detox is one of these things right here. Some Flight Mode Skincare Hydration Masks, that's right here. Some cutting boards, or Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder. Let's see what I chose. I think I got the socks. No, I got the cutting boards. That's great. We always need cutting boards here. We cook a lot. And I saw Jen Loves Reviews, who is now just Jen Love. And she uses these cutting boards all the time, and she really likes them. And there's like little symbols on them. So one's good for beef, one's good for chicken, one's good for veggies, and one's good for seafood. So that's pretty cool. Very nice. And that cutting board set is a $19.95 value, which I think $5 a pop for 4 of them is really good. Next up is number 6. You could have got the Wish Lip Scrub, the blemish patches. I hope not. The below the belt croc card case. I hope not. The Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. No, thank you. That sounds like it would hurt. And those are the 3 for number 6. Let's see what I have. Oh, I did get Kate. Wait, I did get Kate Spade socks also. I got the Kate Spade socks. Where are those? Oh, this was 4A. I didn't say that. I got 4A. Okay, I skipped 4. No, I didn't. I just forgot the socks. I just skipped on to 5. Anyway, so I got Kate Spade socks, which I love these kind of socks, and I love Kate Spade, so that's very excellent. And that is a, how much? $24 value. Very, very great for a couple pairs of socks with little spades on them. Let's look at them. Let's look at them. Let's not just toss them aside. I'm really liking my box. And I have like socks like these that I wear all the time. Except mine look like these actually, with the little nubs on the bottom so I don't slide around on my hardwood floors. And it says Bear Socks. And I think these will actually fit my giant feet. I wear a 10 or 11, and so it's hard to find things to fit. All right. I still haven't figured out what I got for number 6. Oh, this is for number 8. Oh, I got the Wish Lip Scrub. That's what I got. And the Wish Lip Scrub is $20 value. And I've got a bunch of lip scrubs, so this will probably go to someone else. But Wish stuff is usually pretty nice. And this is a good size tube. Not complaining. So that's what I got from number 6. Number 7 was the brush, the Leopard Scrunchies. I got the Leopard Scrunchies. I got a bunch of hair stuff this time. And I wear scrunchies sometimes. And the scrunchies are $25 for Jewelry Noir Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies. And these feel very cheap. They feel like very cheap. They don't feel luxurious, and I would not pay $25 for them. But that's okay, because I already got my value in the first couple things with the eye cream and the blanket. So after that, it's all gravy. Number 7, you could get a Daily Concept dry brush, the Leopard Scrunch. No, number 8. We're on number 8. I can't count. I hope you're staying with me, even though I can't keep track of the numbers. Arr. Number 8, liquid eyeliner from Aesthetica, London Town Get Well Nail Recovery, or 8C Phase 0 Makeup Making Moves Blusher. And I got the brusher, which is $27.50. And I found this and pulled it out. Let's see if it's a color that I will dig, because I've got a nice blush collection right now. It's so hard to open. I even got my nails trimmed. Oh, this is very pretty. I will definitely use that. Let's do a little swatchy. That's gorgeous. That is great. It's a great blush. Going into the collection right now. Throwing the box away. And that's it. How anticlimactic. I got a blush I like. It's all right. And I got some other things in here. I got a Kind bar, which I love Kind bars. This is the Kind Thin. It's kind of a mini bar. And I'll keep this for a cheat day because it's dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt, and I like all of those things. I got a FabFitFun sticker, which is very cute. I got, oh, a wine thing. I'm not going to use it. Those free wine things are scams. Add a little sparkle to your shine. $15 off my first FabFitFun box. If you want to get $15 off a box, this is the code. So you can totally use that code to get $15 off your first box you cannot have subscribed before. HelloFresh, they're pretty good. If you want to get 9 free meals across 5 boxes and free shipping on your first box, you can use this code. But you can find HelloFresh promos everywhere. And then here's the thing for HBO Max. I like HBO Max. It's got a lot of good stuff. And then this is some kind of code to get some vitamins and supplements. I'm really happy with my box. It's a nice recyclable box. It's not overly decorated. The items in it were good. It's one of the more practical boxes that I've gotten from FabFitFun. So this is a winner. So I'm really excited to have this month or this season. And I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And I got some really good stuff. Bye. See you later.